In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your TurboTax tax return as a PDF using the Print Center. This is a quick way to keep a clean, shareable copy of your return for your records, for your lender, or for any situation where you're asked to provide documentation. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to expect, so there are no surprises along the way. Start by looking at the left side of your TurboTax screen. In the menu, click Tax Tools. This opens a small set of options designed to help you manage and access different parts of your return. Next, click Tools. When the Tools panel appears, you'll see several utilities. From here, select Print Center. The Print Center is where TurboTax groups everything related to previewing, printing, or saving your return. Inside the Print Center, choose Print, Save, or Preview this year's return. This is the option that lets you generate a PDF and see exactly what your tax return looks like in its final form. At this point, TurboTax will pause and ask you to choose how you want to handle the payment for your current version of the software. Because you're using TurboTax Deluxe, which is a paid version, printing and downloading are locked until you choose a payment method. You'll see two choices. If you pick Pay Now, you'll pay the TurboTax fee immediately using a debit or credit card. This is straightforward if you want to take care of the payment on the spot and unlock your print and download access right away. If you choose Pay Later, the TurboTax fee will be taken from your tax refund when it's issued. This can be convenient if you prefer not to enter a card today and are comfortable having the fee deducted from your refund amount. You must select either Pay Now or Pay Later to continue. Go ahead and make the choice that best fits your situation. Then complete the payment step by following the on-screen prompts. Be sure your billing details are accurate if you're paying with a card, and review any final confirmations before proceeding. Once you finish the payment process, the Print Center will be unlocked, and you'll be set to move forward within that same print, save, or preview flow you opened earlier. That's all there is to it. By using the Print Center and completing the required payment step, you ensure you have secure access to a PDF copy of your tax return whenever you need it. Keep that file stored safely, and you'll be ready for any requests that come your way.